Hello, everyone. My name is Guy, or Mr. Guy, as you may know me, since I've been on Italki teaching since 2019. Well, it's time for an update video. But first, let me say a little something in Chinese. 大家好，我需要拍一个3分钟之内视频，所以这个中文就不说了哦。你想和我一起上课的话，就上课呗，怎么样？I speak Chinese, so let's have class together. All right, well, let me tell you about myself. First, who am I? Second, my languages. Third, my teaching experience. Well, my parents are from Thailand, but I was born and raised here in California. Went to school here, California. Nowhere else, just California. Elementary, middle, high, bachelor's, and now I'm doing my master's in Masters of International Affairs. Well, that's not awkward. But anyways, yes, I have a standard American accent, and if that's what you're looking for, I can help you. As for my languages, I speak English, Thai from home, Spanish and French from high school, then Mandarin and Vietnamese. Mandarin I learned for 4 years in university and I majored in Chinese. As for Vietnamese, I studied that by myself after I learned Mandarin. I went to Vietnam, traveled there 3 months, and voila. As for my teaching experience, I have been teaching Italki since 2019, as I said earlier, focusing on conversation and pronunciation and accent acquisition. Other experience I have is teaching for a Vietnamese company online for about a year, focusing on American pronunciation and accent. I've also got experience teaching in China, working for a law firm, teaching legal English. And as for my current situation, I'm finishing up my TOEFL certificate, which is teaching English as a foreign language, and I'm learning Arabic and Japanese. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that this intro is something that can convince you I'm the right teacher for you. And our classes are going to be great. We're going to do whatever you want: conversation, grammar, pronunciation, reading, anything. I'm here for you, and I've got language learning experience and language teaching experience. See you in class. Thank you. Bye bye.